Guys, what is up? Welcome back to yet another cleaning video. Yes, I know. What is that? What is that? Oh my God. So my living room don't normally look like this. I don't really know. I think it was a mixture between a lot of things happening at one time and me just not really having the energy or want to pick it up. But I started off cleaning this closet. Now, I only have one closet in my living room, and I do feel that that's not enough space. Things just ended up getting piled, and it's kind of hard to organize when you don't have a lot of space in your apartment. So yes, I decided to go through all of the cords that I did have stored, and I just took everything out of the closet. And then just organized it because it was a hot, as you could see, it is a hot mess. But I got it all straightened up, and yeah. And one thing about me is I can wash and dry clothes all day, but putting it away actually takes a lot of time. So my clothes usually pile up and it just looks crazy. Now, this year I told myself that I was actually going to decorate my apartment or just add more things to it. But that did not happen the way that I wanted it to. Money has been very tight, and yeah, I wasn't really focused too much on decorating my apartment this time around. Now, this was one of the areas that looks the absolute worst. No, I do not have a TV in my living room. I only have one TV actually, and I put it in my room. But yeah, yeah. Anyways, so I had an influx of papers and I was stacking them all on top of this table. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have just put them away as I was doing that. That's a habit that I really need to get out of, because if you let paper stack up like that, it just looks messy and just crazy. And this whole area was just a disaster. So yeah, I got to do better, most definitely, most definitely, because I ain't never had the mess like this. Oh my goodness, yeah, no. It was most definitely one of those times when I was really going through something terrible, and I'm still going through it to this day. But I'm really trying to just work on keeping my apartment organized, no matter how I feel. But, it'd be a struggle sometimes.